If you're still using an old halogen work light like this one, it's time to change. The folks at Olafus sent over this 80 watt, 8000 lumen work light, and I really like it. I'll talk about how much better it is coming up on ThriftyAV. Old halogen work lights like this one are inefficient. They can burn you, and they emit a yellow light that's nothing like daylight. Well, this Olafus has adjustable heads. It emits 8000 lumens with just 80 watts of power. You can touch it. It won't burn you when it's on. And it has a color temperature of 6000 K, which is a close match to daylight. But wait, this is out of the box. Let's back up and check out the unboxing. The Olafus shoplight came in this plain brown box, but there is a sticker on here with some information about it. It says 8000 lumens, the model is GDC 80, wattage is 80 watts. Input voltage 100 through 120 volts, 60 hertz, color temperature 6000 K, that's close to daylight. Luminous flux, 8000 lumens, life expectancy 50,000 hours. Beam angle 120 degrees, no mercury. And this is the one intended for the US. Let's get into this box. Instructions sitting right on top with a thank you card. The light is in a bag, and it is not yet assembled here. Got some foam, got the legs. Here's an Allen wrench and a screw. I am going to do something weird and read the instructions. Really, there's not much to the assembly. Just put the light over the base, screw it in right here, and tighten it down with the Allen wrench. Now I'm going to tighten down this part right here. I can now tighten down the heads that are on the side. The light is now assembled. Let's plug it in and turn it on. In order to darken the shot and make the individual LEDs visible, I turned on the neutral density filter on my camera. Now you might see a line scrolling through the light, and that's because LEDs flicker at 60 hertz. Which is not quite a perfect match for the frame rate of my camera, and consequently you see a little line go through these lights, but when you're looking at it with your own eyes, you do not see that. This light is very lightweight. It weighed in at 2.998 pounds. Oh, switch to 3 pounds. I found that it's easier to adjust the angle of the light with the legs. When you have it upside down, you have easier access to this thumb screw here to make that adjustment. And the power cable splits into 3 cables, one going to each light head. I placed the light out of range so that you could see the temperature as I point this laser thermometer at it. That is pretty cool for the running temperature of a light right there. The yellow glow you're seeing now is a halogen light, and I don't even think this laser is hitting the bulb, and you can see that it's breaking 200 degrees Fahrenheit already. I just turned that thing on. This thing gets really, really hot. Now you're looking at the Olafus on the left and the halogen on the right. Which would you rather have at your work site? Now a short stand comes with this light, but if you want to attach it to a tall tripod stand, you can do it. You can also hang the light from the handle. The Olafus work light has an IP65 weatherproof rating. That does not mean that you can submerge it, but it will be safe in the rain or the snow. The switch, however, not waterproof. Be sure that the power cord stays dry. If you like, using the included Allen wrench, you can reposition the side heads long ways instead of short ways. In order to show you what this light can do, I've set it up outside in the dark My garage wall here is about 30 feet from the light. I'm about 20 feet from the light. And as you can see, it is lit up nicely out here. You can see everything that light is shining on. The adjustable heads let me point it wherever I want to light things up. This Olafus LED work light is compact and portable enough. I can take it wherever I want, like up here in the attic. And with the cord that's over 16 feet long, I'm not even going to need an extension cord. I switched cameras because I couldn't get my main camera up here in the attic. It wasn't a problem bringing the Olafus light up here. And as you can see, everything's lit up real good. Oh, but it's dark back here. Well, I can fix that too. Now adjusting the head, I can see over there as well. Before you think this work light is all unicorns and butterflies, I do have some minor quibbles about it. These adjustment screws here, in order to get them wrenched down tight, you gotta really twist them hard. Otherwise they're loosey-goosey. Same thing with the one on the base. You have to really twist it hard, and it is kind of hard to reach. But other than the tightening screws, I have no quibbles. It's plenty bright. It has adjustable heads. I like the color temperature, and I like the portability. Thank you to the folks at Olafus for sending over this work light. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.